Hey, this is Pastor Bob. It's a dreary day in December, residing in southwest Missouri, but we are in the final phases of getting this Barndominium finished up. I wanted to share with you the countertop installation, cut and installed by J&N Granite. Enjoy. These are the custom granite countertops installed in the kitchen. It's called a Fantasy Brown, and it is kind of a dullamite, but really it's a granite. So the backsplash is 18 inches. They had to go through and cut each individual hole for the outlets that are above the countertop itself. If you notice, I put in plenty of outlets to make sure that no matter what we've got going on, we can plug it in. Oh, here they come. They're bringing in the remaining piece of the backsplash. My goodness, that thing is heavy. Holy mackerel. Watch this guy's face as he pushes it across the countertop. They've got it set up on little shims, but my goodness, watch his face. Watch. The guy there on the left. Man, oh man, that's some heavy stuff. Here we go. Well, they got the backsplash all in. They got the outlets reinstalled. Man, doesn't that look beautiful? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's quarter sawn oak cabinets. There's the island in the center. You can see the power cord underneath. I'll have outlets on both ends. I'll have an outlet on this end as well of that little peninsula. And then these are the framed in triangular windows that we've got going on. Man, that's beautiful too. In the guest bathroom, we did the granite as well. It's got the little backsplash there. I think it's 3-inch. Got the holes drilled for the faucets. Man, that's got a wonderful shine to it. They installed the sinks as well. Man, look at that reflection off there. Boy, that is beautiful. Here is the laundry room countertop. Same exact material. Don't mind the little smudge of grout there on the wall. I've already cleaned that off. But anyway, same custom cabinets in the laundry room as well. Man, they just did a wonderful, beautiful job on that. I did not get video of the master bath, but same granite.